Solve the example based on RSS encoding system. So example is, let P be the value 19 and Q be 37 using RSA method. Encode the word go. Encode the word go. Take S is 25. So we have given this. So what we have given here? So value of P is 19 and Q is 37. So using RSA method we have to encode the word go. So here take value of S is 25. See the solution. Now here value of M. So value of M is P into Q. Okay. So P into Q, value of P is 19 and Q is 37. So product is 703, and we know that the value which is at least 675. Okay. So this value is greater than 675. Okay. So we know that, or we want always product of PQ and value of M is always at least 675. Means what, here value of P into Q is 703, which is greater than 675. Then we'll get unique result. Okay. Now next calculate value of N. So what is value of N? N is nothing but P minus 1 into Q minus 1. So value of P is 19 and Q is 37. So which is equal to P minus 1 is 19 minus 1, which is 18, and Q minus 1, 37 minus 1 will be 36. So the product of 18 and 36, which is 648. Okay. And what we have given also, given S is 25 also. Okay. So and GCD of S and N should be always equal to 1, but here value of S is 25 and N, value of N is 648. Okay. So here value of S and N is equal to, S is 25 and N is 648. So here greatest common divisor between these two values are 1. So here GCD of these two number is 1, means what, both are relatively prime. Now the public key is, so what is the public key? So here, so this is strictly greater than sign. So our public key, value of M is public key. Okay. So the public key is 703 and value of S, which is 25. Okay. Now we know that the alphabet number G. So we know that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So this is start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, next 15 and so on. So value of G is, so we know that we have alphabet G. So what is value of G? So G has value 6 and O has value 14. So O is equal to 14. Okay. So what is the code of GO? Therefore GO can be written as, so here, therefore GO can be written as, so it can be written as, so here this is the number X, which is equal to 26 into G plus O. 26 into G plus O, which is equal to 26 into 6 plus O is 14. So after calculating it, we'll get the number 170, and this is the value of X. Okay. So here, therefore X is 170. Now what we have to compute? Now we compute value X raised to S. and when divided by modulo operation is m. So what is value of m? So value of m is nothing but p cube, which is 703. Okay, so that is we have to compute 7 value of x is 170 raised to s is 25 when divided by modulo m. Modulo m value is 703. Okay, so calculate 170 raised to 25 modulo 703. Okay, so and reduce the answer modulo 703. So we get, so the computation is done by, now we compute by repeated squaring, by repeated square root, repeated square or repeated squaring method. So we compute by repeated squaring method as follows. So what will we get? So here we'll get, so first we have to calculate 170 raised to 25 and modulo is 703. Okay, so first we have to calculate 170 raised to 2 power. So what will I get? So we get, now what we have here, first we have to calculate 170 raised to 2. So what is square? So 170 into 170, what will we get? So here, so the product is 30090. Okay, so after squaring this we will get this. Okay, so we have to divide this number by 703. So after dividing 30090 by 703, then what will be the question? So if I multiply this by 4, then we will get 4 into 3 12. Sorry, here 30090. So the product of 170 into 170, so after multiplying this we will get the answer 28900. So we have to calculate the number modulo 703. So modulo 703 means what? We divide the given number by 703, then we will get, here is the remainder. Okay, so here we divide 703 to the number 28900. So so quotient will be, I will take 41. So multiplying these two, we will get 28823. So this number, after taking subtraction, what will we get? 7, and this is 7. So 0000. So here, what is the remainder? So remainder is 777. Okay, so when we divide the given 170 square by 703, we will get remainder 77 modulo 703. Okay, now next to calculate 170 raised to 4 power. So what will we get? Now 170 raised to 4 power. So 170 raised to 4 power means what? 170 raised to 170 raised to 2 raised to 2. Okay, so 170 raised to 4 means what? 170 raised to 2 raised to 2. So 170 raised to 2 has value 72. So here this has value 72. We will get 77 bracket square. So here modulo value is 703. So after taking product of 77 into 77, so we will get 5929. Okay, so we divide this 5929 by 703. So we will get 5929. We divide it by 703. So the quotient will be 8. After multiplying these two, we will get 5624, and taking subtraction, we will get 365. Now if I take the quotient which is greater than 8, then we will get the remainder will be negative, because this value is greater than this, and after that we will get remainder negative. But we want remainder is positive, and value of the remainder which lies between 0 to 702. Okay, so here the remainder is 365. So we will get here 365 modulo 703. Now next we have to calculate 170 raised to 8th power. What will we get? Now 170 raised to 8th power. So it is mean by 170 raised to 4 power whose second power. So here 170 raised to 4th power has value 365. Okay, and 365 square modulo 703. Okay, so here we have to take 365 square and modulo operation is 703. Now 365 into 365, so the multiplication of these two number is, sorry, here subtraction is 305, so I will take square is 305 square. So here multiplication 305 into 305, so the product is 180271. Now we divide this number by 703, so we have to calculate remainder when divided by 703. So here we divide 180271 by the number 703. So after dividing this to this, we get here question is 2564. So multiplying these two, we will get here 180249, and after subtracting it, we will get 229. So this is the remainder when divided by 703 to the number 180271. So here we will get 229 modulo 703. Okay, so this is the value of 170 raised to 8th power. Now next we have to calculate 170 raised to 16 power. So it can be written as 170 raised to 8th power raised to 2 power. So 170 raised to 8th power has value 229 bracket raised to 2. So modulo operation is 703. Okay, now next we have to calculate 229 into 229. So the product of 229 into 229 is 52441. Okay, so we divide this number by 703. So we have to we want to the remainder which lies between 0 to 702. Okay, so here we divide this number 52441 by 703 because we want the remainder which lies between 0 to 702. Okay, so we divide this number by this, so the quotient is 74. So after multiplying this, we will get 52022. So after taking subtraction, we will get 419 is the remainder when divided by 703 to the square of 229 square. Okay, so this is the remainder 419 modulo 703. Okay, now here we have the value 170 raised to 16, 170 raised to 8, and 170 raised to 4, and 170 raised to 2. Now what we have to calculate? Now to calculate value of 170 raised to 25. Okay, so here to calculate this, so here we will get now 170 raised to 25. So how it can be written as? So 170 raised to 25 can be written as, so it can be written as 170 raised to 16 into 170 raised to 8 into 170. So addition of indices, so 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. So 170 raised to 25, and here is modulo operation is modulo 703. Okay, so 170 raised to 16 has value 170 raised to 16 has value 419 into 170 raised to 8. 170 raised to 8 has value 229 into 170 raised to 1 power will be 170. So after taking this product, here modulo operation is 703. Okay, so here what will we get? So the product of this number is, taking product will get 1631160, and here modulo operation is 703. So we will divide this number by this, we will get 1631160. We divide it by 703. So what will be the question when we divide this number by 703? We will get 23202. So multiplying this, we will get 1631106. So after taking subtraction, we will get 664. So this is the number. So which is the remainder of the number when divided by 703. So this is 664 is the code word of GO. Okay, so this is 170 raised to 25. So here, hence the number 664 is the encoded version of GO. Okay, so the solution is hence the number 664 is the encoded version of GO. So it is sent to the receiver. Okay, so the word is 664. Okay, we will stop here. In next lecture we will see one more example. Thank you.